Hello guys, welcome to another new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you're going to add a guest account in your PC and give them just limited privileges in your PC. So let's get to the video. So you're going to navigate to your settings. Just go click your search tab, type settings. When you're in this page, you're going to navigate to the accounts tab, and then setting menu, go to the accounts tab, which will lead us to this page. And in this page, we are going to navigate to the other users. We have the option to add a family account, but once you go to this direction, you'll be prompted to give an email address to add the account using an email address, which we do not want to do that. What you need to do, we just want to add an account without giving any personal information about the account. So we are going to ditch this, and we are going to go back, and we're going down to other users. Just click that tab. You're going to navigate to this button, add an account. Click add an account, and we'll be prompted to add another email address, but remember, we do not want to give any information. So we are going to navigate to this link. I do not have this person's sign-in information. We're going to click that link, because the goal is that we do not want to add any information. We do not want to give any information that will prompt us to create an account. We just want to create a basic account which we can anybody can use to log in and log out from our PC. So we'll be prompted to this page, which we are going to navigate down to this link, which we're told to add a user without a Microsoft account. That's what we need to do. So you click that button. So you come and you name your give the account the name that you need. So I'm going to name mine Mashup Guest. You are going to be prompted to enter a password that you'll be able to remember. So you're going to be prompted again to enter these security questions. So I'm going to write mine. I am just going to give mine. So I'll begin by the city I was born. Security question 2. My childhood nickname. I'm just going to name my childhood nickname, and then I'm going to give my first school that I attended, and that's all. After you give the security questions, you're going to click next. You're going to click the button next, and that's all. You already have an account with you. The account type is by default standard user. I do not advise you to go to administrator. Just leave it as standard user. And then if you need to uninstall to remove the account, just click this tab, and then you go to delete account and data. Once you click this button, it's going to automatically delete the guest account from your PC. So that's all, guys. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. If you've been watching this channel and you've not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and wait for more videos to come. Thank you.